Ever since high school, I was always really interested in my science classes, and I think I really wanted to understand the whys behind everything. And I'm a bit of a bottom up thinker, and so understanding things on like an atomic or molecular level really did interest me, and so that's why chemistry made sense. If you start doing research on an undergraduate level, you're basically taking like 10 steps above where you would be in your coursework. And so by doing that, you kind of introduce yourself to all of these really complex but super applicable ideas that come with chemistry. And so if you put yourself in a position to just go ahead, try, do the hard thing, then you'll learn a lot more from your coursework as well as just the application of the field of chemistry. I'm studying the rheology of colloidal suspensions. Colloidal suspensions are any type of like sphere that is suspended in a medium. They're used in a ton of different industries, such as the pharmaceutical industry or cosmetics. And we want to study specifically their flow behavior and to try and characterize that and characterize how different additives may impact its flow behavior. So it can be building better pharmaceuticals or lotions, whatever it is. Colloidal suspensions are used in all of these different industries. And specifically with respect to like pharmaceuticals, it can be really consequential if you have a shear rheology that may impact its flow behavior. UTC is interesting to me because I live around Chattanooga. I've always grown up in Chattanooga, and so I wanted to stay close to my family. I also love the city. And specifically, the chemistry department here is primarily undergraduate. You're not really competing for time with your professors, and you get a lot of, frankly, attention from them. And they're more than willing to talk to you about their research. They're doing really interesting graduate level research projects that it's really unique for an undergraduate to get an experience in doing those.